Oh my goodness, this meal right here is going to blow off your socks, guys. Let's make pickled fish, a South African cuisine, with the red panga. Oh yes, red panga. Hello family, welcome to Banana TV. My name is Monica. Let's get started with the video. I'm at Food Lovers Market today looking for a good fish that I can use for our pickled fish recipe. The other year I used hake. Last year I used snookfish. So this year, I don't know, I'm looking for something nice. So I think I'm gonna go with this red panga fish because I want to use like a whole fish. So yes, I went with the red panga. I bought two. So the guy at Food Lovers took off the scales and cleaned the fish for me. So all I need to do is just rinse it and then pat it dry. So in a large bowl I put 1.5 cup of flour, salt, seafood seasoning, or you can use fish spice. Then mix everything together and then add your fish. I like to season my fish so that it has flavor. I like to season it outside and inside as well. I'm now scouring the fish so that when we fry it, it just cooks faster. Guys, let me know in the comment section what are you gonna be cooking for Easter. I would like to hear from you. Maybe you guys can give me inspiration for next year. So let me know what you're making. Are you making pickled fish? Which meal are you making? Let me know. Let's fry this fish. So we're gonna be using my wok because I wanted to use a pan that has space. I don't wanna squash these two fishes in a very small pot. So they're gonna fry nicely for a few minutes until they are nice and crispy outside. So keep flipping them around maybe every 4 minutes or so. Don't flip them too much, just allow them to do their thing. While that is happening, let's start with our pickle mix spices. So I bought this pickle mix at Pick n Pay. I think you can get pickle fish spice mix in most local stores, but they have cumin seeds, coriander, bay leaves, mustard seeds. They have black peppercorns, which are very key for pickled fish. So I don't like cooking with the spice mix when they are all round. I like to grind them so that they're nice and fine. So if you like them all round, you can go ahead and use them as they are. I just prefer to grind them. So I'm going to be using my mortar. I didn't use the whole pickle mix. I used about half of it. The rest I'll just use some other time. Okay, our fish is done. Looking nice and crispy. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, we are done. Let's put this away. So back to our spice mix. I like this consistency now. I like this texture. Yes, looks very good. So let's mix everything else. So that's about half a tablespoon of salt that I'm gonna add, and then now I'm adding meat masala, 1 tablespoon. Then now I'm also adding Cape Malay curry spice. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this as well. You need to build that flavor, guys. So to pickle our onions, we're going to add 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white sugar, can be brown sugar, it doesn't really matter, and then about 5 bay leaves. So now it's time to add our nice spice blend and then the grinded pickle mix spices. So when we are done, we're going to mix everything before adding our onions. It smells like Easter already. Now it's time to add our onions. I cut my onions into slices, some into rings. So this is about 4 onions. So now we're going to let this to simmer on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Just allow the onions to do their thing. It's been 10 minutes. They're looking lovely. I love the consistency of the sauce. It smells lovely. We are done, guys. Right, so now we are going to cover our fried fish with our pickled onions and all the juices. Remember, we're not going to eat this today, we're going to have it tomorrow because pickled fish is always tastier this next day. So just going to close this and place it in the fridge. It is the next day, meaning it is time to eat. Yes, let's place our fish in this lovely fish bowl. Let me know, guys, what are you gonna have this fish, pickled fish with? Gonna have it with rice? Are you gonna have it with mashed potatoes? Are you gonna have it with hot cross buns because they are traditional? They go very, very well with pickled fish. So what is it gonna be? Let me know in the comment section. This tasted delicious as always. I'll link the other 2 videos in the description box. Bye, guys.